when I was looking for an option to make my storage closet slash pantry more user-friendly, I found this great adjustable 5 storage rack. I like that you can adjust the different shelves to your need. It's easy to put together, no tools were needed. It is about 4.5 feet tall, which is great for me because this is an entry closet, but we don't wear coats very often, so it fits underneath the coat rack there. It is about a foot deep, so as you can see, I still have room to put my vacuum in front of it. It's about 17 inches long, so I still have room for my mop and broom and dustpan. And there's an extra little storage down on the bottom. Since there's a gap, I left a gap between the first shelf and the bottom of the floor, so there's EV storage there. This made my entryway much easier organized. Before, the things were stacked on top of each other. They'd fall over when I tried to grab something, or I have to